Okay, let's take a start. It's speaking part one. I'm going to ask you some questions. Who is your favorite celebrity in your country?
My favorite celebrity in my country is Imran Khan. He is a politician and currently he's serving Pakistan as a prime minister. But nowadays his government is, under consideration. But I do like him.
Very good. This is a very good answer. Let's go on. Do you like any foreign celebrities?
Yes, I do like some South African and Australian cricketers due to their profession. They play cricket according to the situation of the game and according to the reality of the game which is going on. So that is why I do like them.
Okay. Would you like to become a celebrity in the future?
Exactly, no. I would not want to be a celebrity in the future, and I want to live my life quiet and peaceful as I'm living now.
All right, just you should add a couple of
Yes.
sentences to this
Yes.
answer, right?
Okay.
It should not show that every answer is in the same way.
Okay.
There should be a variation in that as well. Now, let's go on. Do you think we should respect famous people's privacy?
Yes, yes. We should respect the famous people's privacy because it's the right of everyone, and we should not, discuss the secrets of private people to others. So, because it can affect their professional and social life.
All right. How do celebrities influence their fans?
Actually, celebrities are the role models for their fans. They actually follow the celebrities and their profession as well, and they try their best to copy their profession as well.
Okay, this is good. Just you are lacking a couple of sentences with every answer. Okay. Otherwise, you're speaking clearly, fluently. Just add a couple of sentences and it'll be fine. Right? Thank you. Good job.
Thank you.